Are you looking for the perfect tablet in 2026? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 tablets of 2026, featuring the best options for productivity, entertainment, gaming, creativity, and everyday use. We've compared performance, display quality, battery life, features, and overall value to help you find the tablet that's right for you. All product links are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and more information. Now, let's dive into the top 5 tablets of 2026. Number 5. Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, a tablet that offers a fantastic combination of performance, productivity, and entertainment at a competitive price. Let's start with the display. The Lenovo Idea Tab Pro features a large 12.7-inch 3K display with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, reading ebooks, or attending online classes, the viewing experience feels immersive and enjoyable. Moving on to performance, this tablet is powered by a capable processor that handles multitasking with ease. From browsing the web and using productivity apps to casual gaming and content consumption, everything runs smoothly and efficiently. One of the standout features is its productivity focus. The tablet supports stylus functionality and advanced multitasking features, making it a great choice for students, professionals, and creators who need a device for both work and entertainment. Battery life is another major advantage. With its large battery capacity, the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro can easily keep up with a full day of work, study, or entertainment without constantly searching for a charger. For media lovers, the quad-speaker setup delivers rich, clear, and immersive audio. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or joining video calls, the sound quality enhances the overall experience. Design-wise, the tablet features a sleek and modern look with a premium feel, while remaining lightweight enough for comfortable daily use. Number 4. Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro, a tablet that delivers flagship-level performance, a premium design, and an incredible multimedia experience. Let's start with the display. The Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro features a stunning 11.2-inch 3.2K display with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, browsing social media, or playing games, everything looks incredibly sharp, colorful, and fluid. Now let's talk about performance. Powered by the advanced Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, this tablet is built for speed. From heavy multitasking and video editing to demanding mobile games, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro handles everything effortlessly and delivers a smooth user experience. For students and professionals, the tablet supports a stylus and keyboard accessories, making it a great productivity tool. You can take notes, edit documents, and multitask efficiently, almost like using a laptop. Battery life is another major highlight. The large battery easily lasts throughout the day, and with ultra-fast charging support, you can quickly get back to work or entertainment when needed. On the entertainment side, the quad speaker system provides rich, immersive sound with impressive clarity and depth. Whether you're watching Netflix, YouTube, or listening to music, the audio experience is excellent. Design-wise, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro looks sleek, modern, and premium. Its slim metal body gives it a flagship feel, while remaining lightweight and comfortable to carry. Number 3. Apple iPad Air M3. A tablet that perfectly balances power, portability, and premium features. If you're looking for a device that can handle both productivity and entertainment, this is one of the best options available today. Let's start with the display. The iPad Air M3 features a beautiful liquid retina display that delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and excellent brightness. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, reading, or browsing the web, everything looks stunning and responsive. Now let's talk about performance. Powered by Apple's powerful M3 chip, this tablet delivers desktop-class speed in a thin and lightweight design. From multitasking and video editing to gaming and creative work, the iPad Air M3 handles demanding tasks effortlessly. For students, professionals, and creators, support for the Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard transforms the tablet into a highly capable productivity machine. Taking notes, drawing, editing documents, and managing projects all feel smooth and intuitive. Battery life is another strong point. The iPad Air M3 easily lasts through a full day of work, study, or entertainment, making it a reliable companion wherever you go. On the entertainment side, the stereo speaker system provides clear and immersive audio, enhancing your experience while watching videos, listening to videos, or playing games. Design-wise, the iPad Air M3 is slim, lightweight, and premium, making it easy to carry while still feeling incredibly durable and modern. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. This tablet is designed for users who want top-tier performance, a massive display, and premium productivity features all in one device. Let's start with the display. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra features a huge 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant, contrast is outstanding, and every detail looks incredibly sharp. Whether you're watching movies, editing content, or gaming, the experience feels truly immersive. Now, let's talk about performance. Powered by Samsung's latest flagship chipset and paired with generous RAM options, this tablet delivers exceptional speed and responsiveness. Multitasking, video editing, graphic design, and demanding games run effortlessly without any noticeable lag. One of the biggest highlights is the included S Pen. It offers a natural writing and drawing experience, making the tablet perfect for note-taking, sketching, and professional creative work. For productivity, Samsung DeX transforms the tablet into a desktop-like workstation. You can run multiple apps side by side, connect accessories, and enjoy a laptop-style workflow wherever you go. Battery life is equally impressive. The large battery easily powers through a full day of work and entertainment, while fast charging ensures you're back up and running quickly. The entertainment experience is enhanced by a premium quad speaker system that delivers rich, detailed, and cinematic sound, making movies and music sound fantastic. Design-wise, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is remarkably slim and premium despite its large size, and its durable construction makes it ideal for everyday use. Number 1. OnePlus Pad 3. A tablet that delivers flagship-level performance, a stunning display, and excellent battery life, making it one of the best tablets you can buy right now. Let's start with the display. The OnePlus Pad 3 features a gorgeous 13.2-inch 3.4K display with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, browsing social media, or working on creative projects, everything looks incredibly sharp, vibrant, and fluid. Now let's talk about performance. Powered by a flagship Snapdragon processor, the OnePlus Pad 3 is built for speed. It handles heavy multitasking, demanding games, video editing, and productivity tasks with ease. Apps launch quickly, transitions are smooth, and the overall experience feels incredibly responsive. For students and professionals, the tablet supports a smart keyboard and stylus accessories, transforming it into a powerful productivity device. Whether you're taking notes, editing documents, or managing multiple apps at once, the OnePlus Pad 3 makes work effortless. Battery life is another major highlight. With its massive battery, you can enjoy a full day of entertainment, study, or work without worrying about running out of power. And thanks to ultra-fast charging, you can quickly get back to 100% when needed. On the entertainment side, the advanced multi-speaker system delivers rich, immersive audio, making movies, music, and gaming more enjoyable than ever. Design-wise, the OnePlus Pad 3 is sleek, slim, and premium, offering a modern look while remaining lightweight and portable. And that's our countdown of the top 5 tablets of 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect tablet for your needs, whether it's for work, school, gaming, content creation, or entertainment. Which tablet was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description for product links, pricing, and additional details on all the tablets featured in this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Share this video with anyone looking for a new tablet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.